Hi, I'm Colton, Product Manager here at Public. If you trade options on Public, you've probably noticed that we've been shipping a lot of updates recently. Today, I want to take a look back and review some of our biggest releases of the past year. Let's start with the options chain itself. You can now tap both to view calls and puts side by side with the strike centered between them. This provides a much faster way to compare contracts and get a feel for how the market is pricing different outcomes without flipping back and forth. If you swipe left, you'll get the full picture. Greeks, implied volatility, volume, open interest, the works. If you tap the Strategies tab on the chain, you'll access our strategy builder. It helps you select a trade based on your outlook for that asset. It also walks you through the position leg by leg, so you're never guessing what goes where. If you toggle on the helper tool, you get immediate context on the setup, including profit and loss scenarios, all before you actually commit capital. We also added an own tab right into the options chain. Everything you own for that stock or ETF now shows up in one place. From there, you can roll, close, or add size without digging through menus, which actually saves you quite a bit more time than you'd think. Speaking of options rolling, we now have a tool that lets you adjust the expiration or strike of an existing contract without manually lagging out and then lagging back in. You can scroll through expirations and strikes with real-time pricing, compare potential rolls, and execute the adjustments in a single streamlined flow. Now, let's talk about analysis, because execution is only as good as the signal behind it. With advanced charting on mobile, you can run full technical analysis directly inside Public. Indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, EMA, and VWAP are now built right into our charts. That means you can confirm momentum, validate entries, and time exits without switching apps or juggling tools. Everything you need to analyze and act now lives in one place, right on your phone. So those are the execution and analysis upgrades. Next, I want to touch on two structural upgrades that change what's possible on Public. The first one, options trading in IRAs. Public is now one of the few platforms that lets you trade options inside a traditional or Roth IRA. That gives you more flexibility, whether you're hedging, generating income, or expressing a view inside a tax-advantaged account. Second, we recently introduced our active trading API. You can now programmatically trade options commission-free alongside stocks, ETFs, and crypto all through one API. If you prefer systematic strategies, automated workflows, or custom models, the Public API gives you the tooling to run your playbook without touching the front end. And importantly, when you trade options, whether it's in an IRA or through our API, you still earn the rebates you've come to expect on Public. Depending on your monthly volume, you can earn between 6 and 18 cents per stock or ETF contract in an IRA, or up to 10 cents with the API. That means your net cost per contract drops below zero. I'm incredibly proud of everything the team shipped this past year, and we're far from done. Right now, we're building support for spreads in IRAs, and we're adding advanced order types like trailing stops and bracket orders soon. We always love to hear your feedback. Check out the new tools and let us know what you want to see next.